Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business brand image using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and select the Posterize adjustment to give the brand image a bold, professional look. I duplicate the background layer to stay non-destructive. I slowly adjust Posterize levels while observing changes in tones and contrast. Business visuals need calm, confident control. Some areas lose detail, so I mask selectively with a soft brush. I zoom in to refine edges and smooth transitions. I pick colors carefully to emphasize the business brand message. I add text using the type tool and align it with the visual.